Hi guys, welcome to Vilia Carebian. We can come. No, we can just Hi guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. Today, I want to go to splash the house of the chick to clean it. So guys, wherever you are, please go and subscribe my YouTube channel. My name is Mr. Dan 254 official. This is they call pump for splashing skuma wiki, some work. So guys, follow me and we go. You know, this you wear like bag, guys, like that, like this. So when we wear like this, and then you splash the medicine. But now I want to go to mix first medicine, and I will show you some will go like this. So guys, wherever you are, please subscribe, like and comment. You know, in village now, the outbreak of disease is already here. The chick will die, so I must to prevent mine. But pray for me, my chick to be healthy until the disease will end. Now I am feeling I don't have hope because I feel maybe the chick will come to die. But in the previous month I was vaccinated, so I don't worry. But now I give them medicine to prevent all the disease. So I must clean all the compound. So guys, wherever you are, please pray for me. Give me advice how to treat this chick. It's already, I see the sign of disease. The sign of disease, I see. They are already coughing, they are quintling like this, they are... Come guys, and go. We go guys. We are going to now. So guys, come. Guys, whenever you are. Guys. Come. So, you know what, guys? This is the medicine is good for cleaning the house of the chick. So I want to go to take water first. Here in more in the This is come bro. This is like chungi, which make the king's good. Come bro. So guys, pray for my chick. Now in village the disease is really they kill. Like my neighbor who live behind me, is already 60 chicken has died. But you know himself, he don't vaccine the chick. He now suffering and cry. It's not alone. Many people in village, they are crying now because of outbreak of disease. But you know that is the God plan. We'll never say anything, but we leave God to do his own job. And when we say Mr. Dan chick will never die, I believe will never die. And when you say the Mr. Dan chick will die, even I cry blood, they will die. Only the thing we can do for me, guys, is only to pray for my chick, and I will take care of the chick until they get well. I must wash the pump first. You know, maybe someone brush another medicine, so I must wash first, and then I don't put. Yes, guys, it's not too many. You see, this medicine is looking like that, guys. You can see. Then you add, say like 3 are enough. All we can put 4. It's not bad when we add many, or it is okay. So I want to start to splash. Then I will show you guys. This you put like this, and then you pour water. So the only thing goes inside is water. That thing remains upper, guys. Wherever you are, please subscribe and like. And my chick is sick now. I don't know what I can do, guys, but I believe we'll be okay. Yes, guys. Then I cross like this. Yes, when I cross like this, I pick, guys. So come with me. The chick is really sick. And guys, you know, this is the thing I want to put on floor first before I splash the medicine. This is sawdust. Sawdust. It's good for the chick to prevent when they waste, to prevent. Guys. Guys, you can see this is sawdust. This is sawdust. This is sawdust, so I must spray like this in the house of the chick, like this, all over the house, all over their house. I must spray like this, guys, to like this. The chick don't worry, I make a good place for you. You know, first I remove the waste outside, then I put sawdust. When I put sawdust, so that I can be able to spray medicine inside. wait, bro. So when I'll come to spray to put the sawdust inside, and then I'll start to spray the chemical. So guys, I want to bring 1 sack of sawdust. It's already here, guys. You know, sawdust is good for putting for the chick, and it's fresh sawdust. It's fresh, guys. So today I want to clean the house of the chick, and the problem is the disease already is here in the village, and maybe you don't know, maybe tomorrow I'll get some chick is already died. I will come to get. I am waiting the result from God, what I can do. I am trying my best, and the outbreak of disease is already here. So guys, I don't know what I can do, but pray for me wherever you are. to be sick. And I'm already going to veterinary and I get some medicine I give them. I see now there is change. But continue pray for Mr. Dan Chick to get health, to get normal soon. You know, when the chick will come to die, will go loose. And when it will come to be loose, I will never come again to get money to start another project. You know, I believe when this chicken will come to lay, I will make the profit. But now I feel like I am already failed because the chick is really sick. And I try my best to keep them healthy until today. 5 months is not easy, guys. I am feeling like I can cry, but the tear is not coming. When you come, I'll cry alone here. So guys, wherever you are, please support me down here and show him love. Wherever you are, guys, I love you and I appreciate for making me to be here. You know, without you guys, I was jobless. But now this chick keep me busy, keep me to focus. But when I see the kind is now sick, I feel bad. But I believe in the word of God will be okay and everything will be good, guys. So continue subscribing. I am making the place for the chick to sleep. The place to sleep, to enjoy, you know. This is local feed they make alone for the chick to feed. So whenever you see this inside here, the chick are enjoying feeding the feed, and this is for water. Hey guys, this is for water. This is important. You know, I open like this, I put the water inside, then I close like this, and I do this. But this I come on and I put only food inside. But now you can see I am spreading very well my soda everywhere in the house. So when I come to spray medicine inside, everywhere will come to every place will be okay to kill that germs and to kill germs and virus. But don't forget, the disease of chick transmit through hair or wind from one place to another. So that caused the whole village to the chick to get sick. And you know, in Vilia Carebian, imagine very soon we'll come to roast some chick. That I imagine, but I believe I'll take care of the chick until I see the chick is returning healthy. But now I am 50-50, guys, because I don't feel like this chick will be good. You know, like now 8 people, the 8 neighbor who the chick is already died. Wow. I am here only believing, but I am 50-50. So guys, I want to do my part, and another part I leave to Almighty God. He knows everything. But me, I will do my best here to make sure everything is good. And no anyone want the chick to die, but it's only the glory of God. We are here, and I am already spraying potash very well. You can see everywhere I am spraying very well, and I want to show you. You can see, guys, I am spraying very well. Very well, guys. You can talk. Very well. It's via camera, but it's a cameraman. Very well, guys. You see, I am spray. This is sodash. This is sodash. Good sodash. Then we'll come to 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 do what? To spray medicine inside, so that already I give the chick medicine already. I can go and talk to you and tell you. I go to veterinary and I describe how my chick is coughing and bringing like mucus. They're coughing and mucus from the mouth of the chick. That is the, you know, the disease, and they remove a white waste. You can, that is the little disease, and that disease kill. When you see the chick coughing and removing mucus from mouth, that disease kill. But I go to veterinary and I describe the disease. He give me that this is for making the hen to be for the stress, to remove stress. You know, when the hen is sick, they come stress like this. You get the hen is like this, guys, and when you give this, will come normal. And this is treatment. This is treatment. This is medicine for curing that disease. I go and bought, you know, and now is to make this chick to cure this whole chick, you must use a lot of money. A lot of money. You know, this is $2. This is $2, guys. This is $2. This is $1, $2 times $2, $10. And already for cleaning is $2. You know, I don't have that plan to go to buy the medicine for disease like that. So I find out I use a lot of money to bring the disease here in Vilia Carebian. But I thank God when I come to use a lot of money, but only the thing I come to want to the chick to be normal. But now, guys, I am 50-50. I am 50-50, guys. I don't know the plan of God, but me, I am 50-50. I will continue. And this is how to spray medicine. This I will spray all over the house of the chick, because I don't know where disease come from. I'll spray all the house, guys. You see, this is spray. You can see I am spray everywhere, outside and inside. So when the chick will come to go inside, I believe the disease will die already, and the virus and the small bacteria maybe can be somewhere. So I must kill them now to prevent my head. Guys, I'll spray like that everywhere. And this medicine is good for the chick. Can drink also. It's good for the chick, but kill bacteria. Yes, but kill bacteria, guys. I'll go inside. All I can spray through it, and everywhere in the house will can be sprayed. Don't worry. This is the press which I spray. Only water goes inside. So don't ask. Go inside and spray it. I am here, but water will leak everywhere. And then I will come like this. You see, guys, I am spraying the house of the chick to look good. I can go inside like this. You see, like this. and I spray everywhere. Guys, pray for me, my chick to be back normal, and pray for the chick to return back to be healthy. You know, I was very soon I'll come to get profit, but now I feel very soon I'll come to get loss because the chick is already sick, and I try my best to see whether the chick will come to be good. To be good. I feel like is some problem in this with this pump, but you know I am farm. I know everything using to the pump. Yes, I know, and I don't feel anything. It is good to spray everywhere everywhere the house of the chick, upper and down, to prevent, to kill germs, guys. Pray for Mr. Dan Chick to be back healthy. I wonder, you know, I used a lot of money, but now I feel like I will go lost because of disease, and the disease kill. Is truth, guys. When the chick will come to die, I'll come to show you is the truth which I tell you. The disease is now in the village. What I can do, guys? I want imefika
22. Yes.
So guys, whenever you are with Mr. Dan, pray and support. Now I am worried if the chick will come to die. I'll go lost, which I will never explain. But now I use my best. You can see now I am spraying. This is spraying. This you see this. They're spraying very well. You can hear this. I spray very well so that when the people come inside, will be a good place for the kids to enjoy. And the disease will already kill some bacteria, kill some fungi, kill some virus. Yes, guys. I am working here. You know, this house is small. I must sit down and I work. So don't feel bad. I am working and I am already. Nimezoea bro. I am here. You know, per week I spray this medicine per week twice or once. But nowadays I will spray like per week 4 to 3 to make my chick to make my chick to be a good place for them to sleep well, to enjoy, and I will kill all bacteria inside here. You know, bacteria is not good. When you spray this medicine, they will kill bacteria, and they will kill. And when they will kill, when you kill bacteria and you treat the chick will be good. Maybe. In the grace of God, I pray my chick to be alive until they give me some profit. So the thing around only I fear now, when the chick will come to die all, and I am struggling for 5 months to feel like tomorrow I can earn something, but when you plan and God is already planning himself, So guys, here on the pass through difficult time. Now I am passing through difficult time because of the chick seed. Whenever you are guys, pray for Mr. Dan farm to go back, and that is the challenge as a farm we must enter. That is one of biggest loss or biggest problem here in farm. Now I am struggling to farm to nyunyuzia here. So, and everything I see will be okay. I am already finished inside here. I want to go outside to separate. Yes, we can go outside to see whether everything will be okay. But now, inside I am finished everywhere. I am finished, guys. Inside, I have to go outside. Yes, and to see whether this, yes, I will spray. Even upper, upper they are local chicken, but this chemical don't affect chick, only affect bacteria. So when you see me, I am spraying and the chick are inside. Don't worry, guys. This maybe I can put this medicine in water of the chick and chick will drink. It's not problem for the chick. It's problem we kill only fungi. I am spraying all, and you can get even the chick has fungi. So guys, don't worry. I am spraying here in the Carebian. Yes, guys. You can see I am spraying, and everything will be okay. Everywhere. To see the hen is good. When you come to roast one hen, that will make you to cry. But when you spray the medicine all over the house, it's good. It's good, guys. It's good. Even outside I will spray, because I will spray all over the house, except on the top is fun. But around here I will spray. Here I will spray, guys. Yes, you know this can come. Yes, guys. I'm spraying the medicine. I am spraying carefully. I am spraying the medicine inside here. I can spray in here to enter inside, guys. Here. Outside, I don't want my sheep to be killed, to die. I will prevent it. I will give them medicine for prevention. I was giving them for prevention, but now I will give the medicine for that disease. It's bad disease. When you see chick coughing and the mucus come from the mouth of the chick, why it's bad disease, guys. Who know that disease is bad? It is kill.
29.
So guys, wherever you are, subscribe to my channel, like, share, and give me advice to continue believing. And wherever you are, guys, I love you. But today is a sad day because the disease already is in Vilia. So I don't know what I can do. But wherever you are, guys, believe. And I believe everything will be fine. Bye bye, guys.